I should have taken my glasses off. Hey, buddy, be careful. Heather, go anytime.
Good job. Keep going. That's two.
Yeah.
Oh, Robert.
Robert.
Let's try this one again.
So a little bit harder, right? So that's not bad. Number 5 and number 4. So right now that gets you your puppy. If you were to find, number 3 or number 6, so they go in order 3, 4, 5, or 4, 5, 6. That'll get you
Which
anything.
is the noisemaker, the little
No, he wants
animal,
just a puppy.
or
That's fine. Do this. Okay.
Any more? Yep, right there.
Wow. There you go. Let me just see if I can get you a big spoonful. Give me this.
Wow, you found the blue one. Cool. Very cool. Don't get it near the TV. No swinging.
Look at that picture.
I'm gonna pull one that I have.
Pull a very special one that I can have too, please.
No.
Hurry up. Come on, I'm getting old.
I got this one.
Okay, let's see. What's that?
What is it?
The moon.
Oh, good, the moon. I've got the moon. Do you have?
Me too.
I
We
don't
all
have the
have a
moon.
moon.
Do I
You
have the
do,
moon?
yes.
Oh boy.
Oh,
I get to cover up that one.
We all have a moon. That's very lucky this time.
We're playing
No.
Halloween bingo. How do you like Halloween bingo, Win?
Good and brand new.
Yeah, but I don't. Let me see. I don't know what sprout is on this TV station. Does anybody?
We made a really cool jack-o'-lantern today.
I was looking late one night, my eyes beheld
Why are you on the floor?
He's dancing.
began to rise.
And suddenly, to my surprise, they did the mash. They did the monster mash. That's a graveyard. The mash. They did the monster mash. Like smash. And the flash.
The monster mash.
Come on, Daddy. Let's see a little mash. I did.
It's all exercise. Wow, are you doing yoga? What's your yoga position?
I did the monster mash.